Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox white screen problem when joining a game. First, click the Windows icon and search for Roblox. Right-click on Roblox and select Open File Location. In the new window, right-click on Roblox again and choose Open File Location. Find Roblox Player Beta, right-click on it, then select Show More Options. Click Properties, then open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 and select Windows 8. Click Apply, then OK. Next, open Windows Settings. Go to System, then Display, and open Graphics Settings. Add Roblox to the list of apps. After adding it, click Options and select High Performance. Now open the Microsoft Store. Search for Roblox and check if there is an update available. Install the latest update if needed. After completing these steps, restart Roblox and try joining the game again. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Roblox white screen problem when joining a game. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.